For those of you who do paint in oils but don't really have a system, you're going to really get a step-by-step understanding of how to work with your paint. We're going to take you guys through the first step of the painting, which is to stain the canvas and put down an imprimatura. From there, we move on to the drawing stage, and we'll talk about how to block in whatever it is you're painting. We break it into light and dark, and then you'll have the likeness of your portrait. And after that, we move into laying in the initial big color notes, and then we move into a step called first painting, where we begin to build our forms, rehearsing values, rehearsing temperature of color, and looking at how light and dark, and creating form. Just taking complexity of anatomy and breaking it down into simple geometrics. By the end of the week, we move into the second painting, working with our medium and creating tints of glazes that allow us to get the fine blending that a lot of these artists were able to accomplish in their own work.